You're then going to start with your mini contouring board on the face. And we're going to split the face into 3 zones. You're going to have the neck and the chin, the cheeks and the forehead. So you're using the contouring board across the jaw and down the neck. You're always starting in the centre of the face and working outwards and down towards the clavicle. In the video, I'm draining towards the clavicle, as you can see. But there are many different nodes in the face. You can always drain the nodes towards the ears. It doesn't have to be continued down to the neck. But for the purpose of the video, I'm showing you in full. In clockwise direction, we are going to distribute the oil and warm up the tissues. The purpose of wood therapy and Brazilian MLD to the abdomen includes lymphatic drainage and detoxification. It's going to help with the fat breakdown and reduction of cellulite, improve circulation, and it's going to tone and sculpt. It's going to help contour the waistline, define the abdominal muscles by reducing the fluid buildup and stimulating the skin. It's going to help with digestive support, stimulating the intestines, and help with muscle relaxation. Once you've distributed the oil, you're going to pump in 4 places around the belly button in a square shape, and just pump in these positions around 5 times. Then you are going to get your first board. You're going to start with your engraved roller and you're going to take it to each side of the abdomen. And you're going to work quite fast and vigorously over each side of the abdomen. This is going to reduce bloating, help with water retention. It's going to improve digestion and help the body eliminate excess fluids. As well as using the roller up and down, you can shake it side to side. This is going to enhance skin tightening, stimulate collagen. It's going to help with elastin production and improving skin firmness. It contours and sculpts the waistline, helping define and shape the abdominal area.